Oh, there she is.
Oh, wow.
I don't know if you can see her. There, right there. That's.
Oh, yeah. I see.
Do you want to see her, Corey?
That's cool.
You have your phone. You can take a picture of her.
Yeah.
Freaked me out.
Oh, just relax. That big. She'll move out of there. When she moves out more, I'll bring it closer to you, Corey. But in some of the other frames, you'll see more larvae. Do you have your camera out, Corey?
Yeah. I'm videotaping.
Oh.
Oh, yeah.
You got it?
Yeah, it's cool.
Yeah, because right now she's kind of stable and low.
So you were able to find her because that's where most of them were?
Yeah, that and because there isn't, 70,000 of them yet.